All right, you've got your brand new Model Y Juniper, and you got all smart and upgraded the mats down here. And even though that you've got nice raised sides here, look at what goes on here. Just, it always gets kicked. This car's new too. Look at over here where the pedal is. You see it's already kind of wearing out. Once too this gets dirty, this is like, a lot of times if you're not familiar with this carpeting here, you can like vacuum it and this stuff still doesn't want to come out sometimes. You need like a brush, and you gotta, it sucks. It's just a pain in the butt. Well, EVBase has got you covered. I'm gonna put stuff on right now that covers this up here, this part here, and then under the rear screen. All this stuff back here, you know how it's gonna get all kicked up, messed up. We got other stuff for this, all this carpeting. We can cover all of this carpeting, EVBase. All right, we are going to install some anti-kick plates for the Juniper, Model Y Juniper. Check this out. This is for the back. I'll show you exactly, obviously, where these go, but this is for under the screen. This covers all the carpeting that just gets filthy and is kind of really hard to clean. Well, this stuff covers the carpeting and is very easy to clean. This is for the both sides of the center console. So, you know, you're driving your right foot, that whole area there, that giant piece of carpeting, that's that. This goes back to the screen, and then this is under the screen, under the area there, so the kids don't really trash that entire area. I have other videos with EVBase products. It's like all kinds of stuff to keep your carpet clean, cover it, keep it from wearing out. Watch for those. I'll put links to everything there. I'm not sure how many of these I'm going to combine into one video, but yeah, just check below. And remember my discount code, TeslaMark. It gives you the biggest discount and works in all the best places. So we're gonna put all of these on the car right now, super quick to put on and really easy, because see this stuff, this is like half the, you know, Velcro has those two sides. It has a hook side and then it has that fuzzy side. Well, the fuzzy side's the carpeting, and this is the hook side. Goes right on and like really sticks too. And this stuff is super tough. I don't know what they make this out of, some kind of space age, TPE, whatever. Also, I've got pro tip for install on this Velcro. It can actually be kind of tough to put this in just because it sticks so well. All right, let's go. So let's put this on here. And like a puzzle piece, you can figure out that this is, that this goes here. And I'm kind of focusing on this line here because it's really what you're going to see when you get in and out of the car. You kind of want that to line up and look as good as possible. And I might have to kind of fold these around a little bit. And tuck that in there. And then... All right, check it out. Okay, this piece goes here like this, and look at this, already we got issues. All right, now what I am doing here, this is a pro tip. I'm using this cardboard because the Velcro is so sticky, it gets difficult to actually put this thing in, and I might need even a bigger piece of Velcro. So I'm gonna try to line this up here like this. All right, check that out. Nice. All right, you got to start on the bottom, I'm finding. Just push this down there. Then you can work the corners here. Okay. All right, let's look at what we've got back here. Not like 100% perfect. Now, probably, you know, up there, maybe it could be moved back a little bit. You're going to have a gap up there then. So it's wherever you want a gap. You know, you're going to get a little bit of a gap here or a little bit of a gap up there. This, though, fits here like really well. That is pretty good. And like under here now, way more protected. Over here, same thing. Looking good. All right, bring on the kids. Bring on the dirt.